I could go for a good keto chocolatey treat. But what is good and chocolatey for keto? That's right, Nutty Keto Fat Bombs. That's what we're making today, guys. So stay tuned if you would like to learn how to make this. This is my disclaimer. Hi guys, welcome to my show. My name is Diana and today we're making keto fat bombs and it's gonna be delicious. Chocolatey, nutty, oh wonderful and delicious. So also if you stay tuned to the end of this video, you're gonna see a very cute little friend of mine, a little surprise that I'd like to show you at the end. So what you'll need is some molds. Now you can use, I have silicone molds here, and I also have flexible, easily popped out ice cube trays with the silicone bottoms. You can use whatever you like have in your house, whatever you have. Also you'll need some grass-fed butter, organic virgin coconut oil, and you're also going to definitely need some semi-sweet chocolate chips from Lily's. No sugar added, please. We are keto and we are low carb, so we don't need that stuff. If you want to add a little bit more extra sweetness, you can use some vanilla stevia. I wouldn't suggest a lot of it, or swerve. So we're starting out. We're going to have a microwavable container. Here I'm using a measuring cup. Just put 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and a half a cup of chocolate chips, and you're going to put them into the container. You could drop a few, I would say 2 to 3 drops of stevia. I wouldn't go any further than that, or like half a teaspoon of swerve, and then mix it all up and put it in the microwave and until it melts and the consistency looks kind of like this. So once you get to this consistency, you're ready to go. So I have my nut butter here and I have macadamia nuts. Oh yes, but we're gonna start with the nut butter because I've never really made them with the nut butter before, and I wanted to try it because I really enjoy the nut butter. It has MCT oils, it's very healthy for you. So I'm gonna try to, I probably should put a little chocolate in the bottom first and then put it in the fridge, but no, I have to be lazy. And I'm going to put this nut butter, just little clumps of it, because it's kind of cold. I had it in the fridge, so it's kind of hard. It has like the hard consistency like peanut butter in the fridge. So you can make like little balls. You can be fancier than this. I'm just being sloppy because that's what I am. I'm a little sloppy when I cook. When I make anything, I'm a little bit, I put love into it in different ways, but not in the, look pretty way. So, see, it's sticky and it's easy to just plop right in there. So, but like I said, after doing this video, I would definitely suggest putting a little bit of chocolate at the bottom first, then putting a little circle of that in the center, and then pouring the chocolate over it. So here, I have some macadamia nuts. I'm going to put that in some of these cups as well. And I'm going for the halves because these are smaller cups. They're very tiny. So, as you can see, I got a whole one right here. Oh, that's going in my mouth. Yep, I had to eat it. And then, see, this is like the half of a macadamia nut. So that works perfectly for that. And you can use peanuts, walnuts, like whatever nuts that you like that are keto safe. And, I also love pecans. I should have put pecans in there too. Here I'm very sloppily, as you can tell. I'm not very good with my left hand. I am right-handed, and I was doing it with my left hand. Probably not a good idea, but so I'm trying, attempting really hard to pour this in without making a mess. I get better as I go, guys. I get better as I go. This is, the first time doing it with my left hand. I'm usually I pour things with my right hand. This is just, I don't know what made me do it. I guess because the way the camera was angled or whatever, it was in my way. I couldn't use my right arm. So that's why I'm shaking a little too. I'm like, wait, the left hand is so hard to do. My left arm was like, what are you doing to me? So I filled all that, and then I also have these cute ice trays with the silicone bottoms. These are awesome, by the way, and they're cheaper than the other things. I use this probably more when making keto fat bombs because they're a little bit larger. So one piece of candy or two pieces are plenty for a keto fat bomb, and they fill you up for like hours. Like you feel like not hungry because it has healthy fats in there that satiate your appetite, and it gives you that really awesome flavor of chocolate that us women just so long for. I really love keto fat bombs for that reason, because you know, you can't have like the Snickers, the Reese's. You can have keto fat bombs though, and you can have awesome desserts on keto. You just have to find good recipes and work with it, girls. You could do it. It's easy. So if I could do it, trust me, anybody could do it. And I am probably, you know, I like to like make things as easy and, you know, fast as simple. Very simple. I don't like to work too hard at cooking, you know, just make it easy. I like simplicity, guys. So obviously you could see some of the cups I didn't fill them all the way, so I am going to put a few macadamia nuts in the ones that have space left. And this is really awesome. You can just put these right into the fridge. So I usually put them on a cookie sheet and then put them in the fridge until they harden, probably about an hour or so, and then they come out looking like this. So I had just pulled them out. I had them in the fridge for about an hour or two, and they were already done. It's just, you know, the fat has to get cold, that's all. So this is something you have to keep in your fridge. You cannot have it laying around. It will melt and it won't be good. And yeah, if you want to keep them for a long amount of time, I'd say use a container like I have here. This is just a container I had from takeout, and you know, I save every darn thing. So instead of throwing out those plastic containers that the restaurant gave us, I said, you know, I'll utilize them for things like this. So I have my fat bomb, a place for my fat bombs in the fridge. So these are the easiest to pop out. They're just so simple. I'm just trying to show you how easy they just pop right out. And they look really cute, don't they? I think they look really awesome. They look professional. They look, oh, okay, like maybe I could sell these. No, you really can't. But they're awesome to make at home, and they're so simple. And it's such a healthy, good snack, you know. This one didn't come out as good because I had the nut butter. Like I said, I should have put the chocolate on the bottom first and put it in the fridge, and then like made a second batch, and then put, you know, I just didn't feel like doing all that. But they were actually really good. They looked a little messy, but man, were they good. And once you put them in the fridge, that oozy part in the middle, like once you leave it there overnight, it's totally hardened. So it didn't look like that the next day. Well, that one I just ate, so of course that one didn't look good. So I am a woman of my word. I promised to show you my sweet little birdie. Her name is Cuddles. She is just a doll, isn't she? Let me know down below if you like this video, if you love my little Squeaky, my little cockatiel. I love her so much. And guys, once again, I thank you so much for joining me. Whatever you do, do it well, and God bless.